Yeah, how it was, and we are just putting on our YouTube channel how it looks like after the moving, cleaning, everything in details like light fixtures, mirrors, shower stand. Yeah, it's clear, nice. Glass tube cabinets inside, baseboards, everything. Here it is. Have another bedroom with a closet. Another beautiful job done by Maria Team Cleaning Company. All the windows, doors. Let's have a look at floors. Another washrooms. Our clients are there. So we will ask them how it looks like. How does it look like, guys?
Very good.
Very good. Okay.
Alright, thank you, sir.
No problem, guys. Thank you.
Shower,
Clears all tiles. Have no light here. Behind the toilet bowl, all the cabinets, mirrors, light fixtures, fan, windows, window sills. Yeah, let's go to the kitchen.